Shut up and sit down.
Good morning, good afternoon and good evening wherever you are in YouTube land. I'm Damian from Fuel Exhausts and this is our Fuel Friday. Just wanted to give a big shout out to Richy Vida. He's got one of our exhausts on his Africa Twin. He's testing it at the moment. He seems to like it, so if you'd like to hop over to his channel, he does quite a few videos on adventure biking. Just a genuine guy enjoying his motorbike. If you haven't already come to the channel before, please like and subscribe. It helps us get out there and get seen and introduce people to what we do here at Fuel. And this week's video is a little bit different. This week I've just manufactured a new exhaust for the BMW R1250, which was kind of lent to me by Steve, who was also put in touch with me by a mate of mine, Holmesy. So thanks again for Holmesy and Steve for that. As a business owner, we wear many hats. I'm the graphic designer, the welder, the fabricator, the video editor, the cleaner, the odd job man, but that also gives me a chance to buy new toys. And a couple of weeks ago I bought myself a new camera, so now I can actually show you things when I'm videoing myself. Before I had to be on manual focus and I couldn't show anything, whereas now, hopefully, I should be in focus. So anyway, that's enough playing about. Just a bit tight for time at the moment, so what I decided to do instead, I was going to do a video outside, but of course we live in the Lake District, so what happened? The day I was going to do the filming, it rained. So really I couldn't do that. So as I'm a sort of a jack of all trades, I'm not really a master of cameras and photography and all this kind of thing. But as men, what do we usually do if we don't know how to do something? Well, this is what I do anyway. I go on YouTube and binge watch a load of videos until I've got a vague idea on how to do something, which is what I've done with the next video. So there's a video of the BMW that I've tried to make a little bit cinematic. Please be my guest, give us some comments, tell me if you like it, if you don't like it, any comments good or bad. I'd just like to know. It's just a bit of a different tack to what we usually do, and I had a bit of fun doing it as well. So anyway, enough of me rambling on, let's crack on and watch the video.